Why does it have scientists, doctors and celebrities buzzing? The most talked about weight loss product is finally here. A powerful fat-burning ketone, KetoMelt, has been modified to produce an instant fat-burning solution the natural way. Beta-hydroxybutyrate is the first substrate that kicks the metabolic state of ketosis into action. If you take it, KetoMelt is able to start processing in your body, resulting in energy and greatly speed up weight loss by putting your body into ketosis. This one ketogenic supplement is a revolutionary breakthrough that has the media in a frenzy. KetoMelt Advanced Energy Ketones puts your body in ketosis. KetoMelt contains beta-hydroxybutyrate. Ketogenic is the first substrate that kicks the metabolic state of ketosis into action. Revisiting the scenario from before, if you either take supplemental forms, or if your body is making beta-hydroxybutyrate, it is able to start processing in your body, resulting in energy. Beta-hydroxybutyrate floats around in your blood and, importantly, can cross different important barriers to be able to be turned into energy at all times. One of the most important areas where this happens is in the brain. The blood-brain barrier (BBB) is usually a very tightly regulated interface. But since ketogenic is such a rock star, and so hydrophilic, your brain knows to let it in, so it can bring energy to the party at any time. This is one of the main reasons why increased ketogenic levels lead to heightened mental acuity. Get slim, healthy, and confident again with our unique KetoMelt supplement. Ideal for both men and women, KetoMelt is a dynamic and powerful ketosis dietary supplement that may assist weight loss, promote abdominal fat burn, and support better digestion and sleep. 1. May lose weight. 2. May burn fat in trouble areas. 3. Helps to get into ketosis fast. 4. Burn fat for energy, without the jitters. 5. May create better brain health. 6. May assist with faster recovery from exercise. 7. May help maintain lean muscle. How to use KetoMelt as a one-of-a-kind ketosis product designed to help you lose weight and feel amazing. KetoMelt is a supplement that allows the body to begin converting into a state of nutritional ketosis. Featuring a special blend of ingredients, KetoMelt is a safe and simple way to achieve ketosis without the negative side effects of a typical ketogenic diet. KetoMelt is extremely easy to use and experience fast weight loss results. Take 2 KetoMelt capsules daily with water. Eat keto-friendly meals and snacks throughout the day. Enjoy improved energy and focus while our body uses fat for energy. Eating keto-friendly. The best way to support your KetoMelt journey is with a diet that consists primarily of fat, with moderate protein and low carbohydrate intake. For best results, aim for a ratio of 70% fat, 25% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. Tips for success before you begin. You are encouraged to take a before photo and an inventory of your body measurements, energy level, mental clarity, and overall sense of well-being so you can track your results. It's also wise to get plenty of rest and consult your healthcare professional before starting any health program. Once you are in a state of nutritional ketosis, staying in ketosis is as simple as maintaining a KetoMelt-friendly diet, plenty of exercises, and enjoying all the benefits KetoMelt has to offer. Don't worry. It's okay to spring for dessert, or splurge at the buffet at your next family gathering. KetoMelt is always there for you when you need it. Click the link in the description below. Claim your risk-free bottle. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information.